Jeff, I am going to supermarket. Do you want to come with me?
I think the supermarket is closed now.
Oh, when does it close?
It closes at 7 o'clock on Sundays.
That's too bad.
Don't worry, we can go tomorrow morning. It opens at 8 a.m.
All right, what do you want to do now?
Let's take a walk for a half an hour. My sister will get here at about 8:30 p.m. And then we can all go out to dinner.
Where does she live?
She lives in San Francisco.
How long has she lived there?
I think she's lived there for about 10 years.
That's a long time. Where did she live before that?
New York City. Dialogue 2.
Liza, do you have any children?
Yes.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 kids, a boy and a girl.
What are their names?
Jack and Mahatha.
How old are they?
Mahatha is 18 and Jack is 24.
Are they in school?
Mahatha goes to college in Washington and Jack works in Florida.
What does Mahatha study?
She studies English.
Is she here now?
No, she's at school. Dialogue 3.
Hey, I need a new outfit for a party. Any suggestions?
How about a nice dress? It's perfect for parties.
Good idea. What color do you think would suit me?
Maybe a black dress. It looks elegant on everyone.
I will try it on. Where can I find dresses?
There's a clothing store near the mall. Let's go there.
Great. Do they have different sizes available?
Yes, they have sizes from small to extra large.
I am not sure about my size. Can I try it on?
Of course. There are fitting rooms in the store.
I hope it fits me well. What about the price?
They have affordable prices. It won't be expensive.
That's good to know. Let's go and find my perfect dress.
Sure, I will help you choose the best one for the party. Dialogue 4. Hey, I am looking for new shoes. Any suggestions?
How about sneakers? They are comfortable and trendy.
Good idea. Are they expensive?
Not really. You can find affordable ones easily.
What about boats? Are they in style?
Yes, they are popular now. They are also versatile.
Are they more expensive than snackers?
Some are pricier, but you can find affordable options.
I also like sandals. Are they practical?
Sandals are great for the summer. They are comfy too.
Are they cheaper than sneakers and boots?
It depends on the brand and material, but they can be.
I will try some snackers, boats and sandals. Thank you.
You are welcome. Have fun shopping for shoes.
Dialogue 5.
Hi, did you find a gift for Sarah's birthday?
Not yet. Do you have any ideas?
How about a nice handbag?
Good idea. What about a watch?
That's a great option too. Let's look around more.
Yes, we should consider her preferences.
Maybe she wants a new book or some jewelry.
I think she likes earrings. What do you think?
Earrings would be a lovely choice for her.
Let's ask the salesperson for recommendations.
Good idea. They might have more options.
I hope we find something she will really like.
Me too. I want her to be happy with the gift.
We should also consider the price range.
Absolutely, let's find something within our budget.
Dialogue 6.
Hi, what should we get for our meals this week?
Let's start with some fresh fruits and vegetables.
Good idea, I will grab some apples and carrots.
We also need chicken and eggs for protein.
Okay, I will find boneless chicken and a dozen eggs.
Don't forget to pick up some whole wheat bread.
Sure, I will get a loaf of whole wheat bread.
We should also buy some milk and yogurt.
Great, I will find low-fat milk and a few yogurts.
And don't forget to grab some rice and pasta too.
Okay, I will add rice and pasta to our shopping list.
Lastly, let's get some snacks like nuts and popcorn.
Good idea, I will get a bag of mixed nuts and popcorn.
Perfect. I think we are all set for the week.
Agreed, let's head to the checkout now.
Dialogue 7.
Hi, have you seen the new phones here?
No, which ones are you interested in?
I am looking for the phone with a good camera and long battery life.
I heard the X phone has both. Want to check it out?
Sure, but I hope it's not too expensive.
Don't worry, I will ask the salesperson for the price.
Great, let's see if it meets my budget.
Hey, can you tell us the price of the X phone?
Thank you, what about the Y phone?
I think the Y phone suits me better.
It's a good choice, let's get one.
Alright, let's go ahead and buy it.
Excited to see your new phone.
Dialogue 8.
Hello, are you also into art?
Yes, I love painting. How about you?
I enjoy it too, I need new brushes, any suggestions?
Synthetic brushes are affordable and work well.
Do they work for both watercolors and acrylics?
Yes, they are versatile. What about prints?
I want to try acrylics this time. Are they beginner friendly?
Absolutely. They dry quickly and are easy to use.
Great, any specific brand you recommend?
For beginners, I would suggest student grade paints.
Where can I find those in this store?
They are usually in the beginner section near the canvases.
Thanks, I will go check it out. Happy painting.
Dialogue 9.
Hi, have you started shopping for school supplies?
Yes, I need notebooks, pencils and erasers.
Me too. I also need to backpack and highlighters.
Don't forget rulers and glue sticks.
Right, and we might need colored pencils and folders too.
Good idea, I also need a calculator for math class.
I will get one too. Are you buying a pencil case?
Yes, I need a new one. What about you?
Same here. Let's check if they have discounts.
Great idea, we can save some money that way.
Do you need anything else for school?
I think that covers everything. Let's go now.
Alright, let's head to the cashier.
Dialogue 10.
Hi, I am planning to cook a special meal tonight.
Sounds great. What do you need from the grocery store?
I am thinking to making spaghetti bolognese.
Alright, do we have pasta and tomato sauce at home?
No, we need to buy those. And also ground beef.
Anything else? What about vegetables and cheese?
Yes, we will need onions, carrots, and Parmesan cheese.
Got it. Should we get some garlic and herbs too?
Definitely. We will need garlic, oregano and basil.
Okay, let's also remember to buy some olive oil.
Good idea. We can't make this without olive oil.
Is there anything else we need for the meal?
I think that's it. Let's head to the grocery store now.
Great, I am excited to cook this delicious meal together.
Me too. It's going to be a fun cooking experience.
Thanks for watching this video. Please